Now let's look at tip number 3. This will take a little bit longer. Think deliverables is the tip. My experience has taught me, and this is actually an official standard and policy of Sensei Project Solutions, is that deliverables-based planning is the ideal method for developing an accurate project schedule that is meaningful to you, your team members, and your customer and stakeholders alike. So our best practice is this. We recommend that you do task planning with deliverables planning. Start the process there. Once you have determined the deliverables, then you create the tasks that actually lead to the completion of each deliverable. And then you can also add milestone tasks at the end of each deliverable section to signify the completion of the deliverable as well. So let me show you how I might think about deliverables. Let's say that I'm required to develop all of the materials needed to do a team member training on Project Online. Okay, so let's think about that. I need to deliver team member training on Project Online, and the requirements are this. Well, we need a course manual written. We need student sample files for the people who attend the class, the team members. We need instructor materials, so the teacher actually has something to teach. And then we need student handouts or quick reference cards, you know, things like that. So when you look at my screen, you're actually seeing 4 deliverables. Now, what does it take to create the course manual? So if we do some detailed planning, well, we need to write Module 1, Module 2, and Module 3. Now, how about the student sample files? What do we need to do there? Well, we need to create the sample files that go along with Module 1 and that content, Module 2, and Module 3. How about the instructor materials? For that, well, we need to create the PowerPoint slide presentation, or maybe there's several of those. We need to create instructor notes so the instructor knows what special things to do that are not explicitly written in the course manual. And we may also need some instructor demo files to give in a demo for the students. Then how about these student handouts? What do we do there? Well, we'd want to create a student cheat sheet, and we'd want to create a course completion survey to know, are we doing a good job? And then lastly, we'll probably need a course completion certificate template as well to create course completion certificates for our students after each class. Well, folks, that's called deliverables-based planning. Do you see how we started with the deliverables, and then we flesh out the detailed tasks to actually create those deliverables? Now, how does this work in Microsoft Project? Let me show you. When you do deliverables-based planning, the first thing you would do is type in the names of your deliverables. So, course manual is one. Student sample files is another. Instructor materials is another. And then lastly, student handouts. All right. Now, there's the deliverables. Then what you can do is below the deliverables, you can insert as many blank rows as you need to. I was just pressing the insert key to insert new rows. And I'm going to type in the names of the detailed tasks. So I've got write module 1, write module 2, write module 3, and then lastly, course manual complete. Now, course manual complete, that is going to be a milestone. So I'll go ahead and set its duration to 0 days. And then I'll highlight these 4 tasks, and I will indent them, and bingo, that makes the course manual deliverable a summary task, and these are the actual detailed tasks required to complete the deliverable. I want to stress to you that this is a process worthy of following to create your initial task list for any project.